I've been thinking about buying an electrical bike for a long time. However, since I love DIY projects, I see no reason why I shouldn't build one myself. That's why in this video I'll show you how to build a really cool bike at a very low cost, and you won't need any specialized knowledge of electronics to do that. Maybe just how to using that cordless drill. My name is Daniel and you are watching DIY Retro channel. I will use my old bike for the conversion. It will be perfect for this purpose, especially since it has thick tires. This is very important for this project. As you've probably guessed, the power source for the bike will be a cordless drill. I'm starting the project by making the drive roller. I decided to make it out of wood because the idea behind this project is that anyone should be able to do this conversion at home. Importantly, I have tried to work in a way that avoids welding and minimizes any modifications to the bike frame. I polished the drive roller cut from wood, then I wrap it with strong double-sided tape, to which I attach a strong of soft rubber. This will provide enough friction between the roller and the bike tire without damaging the tire, unlike if I had used sandpaper, which was my first original plan. However, after 5 minutes of testing, I decided to abandon that solution. Next, I begin the work of mounting the components on the bike frame by initially positioning them. The idea was for the drive roller not to be in constant contact with the tire, but to be engaged mechanically at any time. So I made a kind of clutch from a flexible sausage roasting skewer, which is designed to press the roller against the tire whenever needed. As the throttle, meaning to turn the drill on and off, I used an actual throttle grip from an old moped. Like I said before, the entire project is designed to minimize modifications to the bike frame. That's why I use zip ties to mount the cordless drill and a cable connecting the throttle grip to the drill. Only mounting our makeshift clutch required drilling 2 holes in the bike frame. The clutch works in such a way that one end of the flexible steel rod is placed in a hole at the lower part of the frame, while the other end will be positioned in a flat piece of metal with cutout holes. This setup allows for adjusting the pressure of the drive roller against the tire, providing different levels of force. Okay, like I said before, this stick is actually a clutch for this propulsion, and right now I have to adjust right place, right position for this clutch. Will be something like that. The gap between the drive roller and the tire is minimal, about 3 mm. Only when the rod is moved to the next cutouts closer to the fender does the pressure increase, providing more contact force. As you can also see, apart from 2 screws and nuts, I only use zip ties. So it's time to put the battery in a drill and see how this invention really works. Alright, and clutch. Wow! Woo! When installing this type of drive on a bike, I knew it would assist with pedaling, but to my surprise it turned out that even with such a heavy bike with a steel frame, it's possible to ride entire without pedaling using just a drill. I've done it. I convert my bike for an electric using a cordless drill. Maybe the performance is not on the highest level, but at least it's a super cheap and it's working. Actually, it's really working. So less than $70-60 and you can make your own electric bike. So I see no reason why you shouldn't try this. So that's it for this episode. Make your own bike electric. I hope you enjoyed the video. For me, building a bike powered by the cordless drill was a real fun, especially riding it. So leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, like, and see you soon in the next episode of DIY Retro channel.